Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, we are going to learn about JoinSecret, which is a deal platform for startups where they help you to get thousands of worth dollars of credits and discounts in software services solutions such as AWS, OVH, Airtable, Notion, and I'm going to share my personal experience and explain basically what is available inside. I'm going to showcase the inside app and also will be sharing all the pros and cons which I personally noticed when I was using this particular deal platform. Okay, let's get started. First, what is JoinSecret? JoinSecret is like a deal platform focused for businesses and startups where they have gone out and tried to make deals, credit offers, discounts, free extended trials on some of the biggest solutions for any startup solution, which will be really helpful for them. And they try to bring deals in various category like design, accounting, finance, marketing, all the different ones. So they have tried to go out and gathered and made it some like exclusive discounts directly them, and these guys are not providing it, they are providing all these instructions, referrals, all the important data, and you directly go out to the source company to get the deal. So all these are legal and valid, and I personally tested this with AWS also. So now let me go into their platform. Basically, this is the platform you will see from the front end. The back end is also very similar. For example, you can see I have signed into my account, and you will be presented with categories and also filters where you can filter out by all these freemium deals is like trial, basic deals, premium. These are different plan which is available within their website, and based on that you have access to different services. For example, AWS is only available on their unlimited plan. So based on see what deals are available on which plan, you can choose the plan which you want for your need. And also you can order it by either most popular, that these are the most popular deals which is getting redeemed, or newest first if you are existing customer and you just interested in learning what are the new deals which is come onto the platform. Basically the interface is really easy. Basically they list out the name, they give the tag and also a description, and they will give you offer, what is this offer, and whether which plan this deal is available on, and they will say whether this plan is available for existing customer or just a new customer. So they will give all the information here itself. And if I just scroll down, I'm just scrolling down, if I see something interesting I'll let you know. But these are the offers which is currently available as of now. So you can see, slow down the video if you want to see whether whatever the software which you are interested is available here. Let me scroll down. Notion is there. Stripe, you get unlimited deal without any transaction fee, so that is available even for existing customers. Let me scroll down. You get Google Cloud for 90-day validity, 300 credit coupon, not big but okay deal. And if I'm scrolling down, you get DigitalOcean 200 credit for 12 months. Airtable, you get 500 credit for businesses. Premium deal. Airtable, they have couple of deals. For example, if I scroll down, you have unlimited plan users, they get 1000 credit with lifetime credit, or premium plan users, they get 500 credit for businesses. So if I'm just scrolling down, and you can see all the other deals which is currently available. You can see IBM Cloud is there, where what is the offer, like $10,000 a month in IBM Cloud credit for up to 1 year. And if I'm just scrolling down, and let's see if I can figure out something really interesting to me. Maybe it's these are interesting for you. HubSpot 30% for 1 year. Cloudways, okay deal, not really good, just 3 months. Let me go down and see what other solutions are currently available here. You can slow down the video, pause the video, anything you want to see whether the deals available here. And if you go into their website also, you can see this list. So I'm just scrolling down all the different one which is currently available. I'm just scrolling down, and let's quickly finish up this. And these are the deals currently available. probably think there is around 100 deals, but I'm not totally sure. I haven't counted this one, but it will change. They keep on adding new deals. For example, OVHCloud, it is a new deal which they added very recently, and I have applied for that also, but still there is waiting process. The reason there is a waiting process is the process how JoinSecret works is you see all this deal. Let's say, for example, you interested in any of this deal, then make sure that it fits the plan you have purchased and go inside this and see the detail. For example, it will be giving you more information on what it is and more resources, and also give you a link for the website, including it will say how many times this offer was redeemed in the past 30 days. And you will get this. And basically what you need to do is you need to click on get access. As soon as you clicked on that, I can't show it on the video because that is the service they are offering. You will get an email with necessary questions which you need to answer to see whether you qualify for this discount as a startup. Once you they see that it's an acceptable one, or if there's any issues, they will let you know what is the issue that need to be resolved. They will give you a further instructions, probably with some sort of a code referral or step-by-step follow instruction, which varies for every single product. I'm just talking based on my experience with their AWS and Airtable credits deal, but I have not tested other products which is available within their platform. You follow that instruction and you go directly into their source website. Like for example, for me, it was going directly through AWS. For Airtable, directly going through Airtable website and fill out all the details as they have provided instructions. Once you filled out the process, now you will get have to wait. For example, these are not instant. Every product is different, right? So I had to wait like for AWS, I had to wait around 2 to 3 weeks, and Airtable it was instant, like 7 days or something like that. So based on that, if you are approved, if the AWS validated all the information and they see that I'm actually a good fit, then they reply back to me with the credit deals and everything. That is how it works. For example, let me show you some screenshots of actually this process happening. For example, this is the initial mail where I got. Once I clicked on get access, I got a mail saying that please follow this step and make sure to fill application with the email from your domain to get credits. And they give necessary a step-by-step process. I have obviously hide out that information because that is the important one. Based on that, you go directly into AWS website, you create an account, all these things, and you create directly apply within AWS itself with the information and code provided by JoinSecret. And once you applied, you can see I took a screenshot luckily when I submitted the deal, and you can see it shows that March 6 to 2020 I applied it, and after some time I got the credit itself. And you can see I now took a screenshot within my AWS credit, which I am actually using it for my websites like SaaS Pirate and other websites are hosted in AWS. And based on that, you can see I have used around just 18 bucks, but the remaining credit which I have access to like $6,481, basically a lot, around 6K. Just from one single deal I was managed to get that. So you can see the expiration dates also shown here, what kind of deal I'm getting. So this was the basically my personal experience of using just two of their service. I haven't tested all the other deals. For example, I haven't even tested out the SendGrid deal itself. So they have various different discounts. You choose based on that and follow the instructions and apply, and if you are accepted, you will get the deal itself. Now let's take into the pros and cons. Basically, the first, let me share the pros. Basically, great value for the money. I don't need to emphasize on this point because for my personal experience, where I got a AWS credit worth 6.5, almost 6.5K, which means if I even go into the pricing plan and if AWS is critical for my businesses, and you can see based on the pricing itself, I would have got the return on value. So value for the product is really big, and I'm just talking with only one product in mind. Let's say, for example, you try out couple of products. For me, as of right now, I have tried Airtable, which is $1,000 credit, and also AWS. And even if I get some others also like Typeform, you can check their pricing directly on their website, and you can just see all the different credits add up, and you can see the value it brings for the subscription plan. So great value for the money, and lot of offers. You can see, I scroll down, you can also go directly to their website and see all the different deals which is currently available. You can see, and also they just keep on adding new deals. For example, let me go into newest first, and I told you these are new deal. For example, when I was initially testing out AWS, their OVHCloud was not available, but then they managed to add that also. So you can see all the different deals are which is getting added for just within like last 3 weeks or so. So you can get an idea based on that. And also the team is very responsive. For example, no process in this is automatic. You select a deal, and once you click on get access, you will be receiving an email from JoinSecret asking you to provide or giving you instructions, and you talk with them, like send a reply back in an email. Then they will let you know the process to go forward. So the email communication process, and even I had a problem with AWS and OVH, where AWS I was asking the waiting time and they immediately respond me back. OVH still waiting for the reply because I have to talk based on their instruction they have given. I have to directly handle with OVH and get the deal itself. So the communication within JoinSecret and me was really instant. I am based out of IST. I'm not sure about other time zones, but basically for me, the replies were professional and at the same time really fast and responsible too. Now let's me share some of the cons which I experienced. First, these deals are not guaranteed. For example, it's not like once you purchase the subscription plan, you come inside and you click on this button, you are going to get the deal immediately, because it does not work like that. What JoinSecret has, they have created a platform, and they have managed to bring all these different credits, discount, offer, trial, extended trial deals, and everything. They provide the instruction, they provide if it requires referral code, if it requires some specific procedures, they provide these details. Then you go out and apply directly with the source company itself. So JoinSecret is not going to do your work for you by reaching out to them. You, based on the information you get, instructions you get, you have to reach out and try to get the deal. So there is no guarantee that you will get every single deal for your startup. You need to qualify for whatever the requirements these source companies have for that in order to get it. For me, AWS didn't require too much effort because they just wanted to make sure that I was a startup agency company, and based on that, once it's confirmed, the details are confirmed, I got the deal itself. And second one was not instant. You need to understand that also, because as I mentioned, you just don't get the discount or credit by just clicking on the link. Maybe for extended trials or discounted, the process will be really easy. I haven't tested it, I should have done. I'll try to do that again and provide the feedback down. And basically you submit, you get the instruction, you follow it and get it. But for credits or just bigger value deals, it will take time based on that particular source company, not JoinSecret. And different plan for different product. For example, if just one plan is not going to get all this product. For example, you can see they have color coded the product: basic, premium, unlimited. And if you want some product which is only available on specific category, then you can't get it with a lower category. You only need you must have that the higher plan in order to get that deal. For example, the unlimited one, where you can see these are two are unlimited because these are worth in value on that, so they provide this tag. So if your product is on unlimited, if you're the deal you are looking for is unlimited, then you can't get it with lower price plans. You need to get the higher price plan for this. So those are the cons and pros which I personally experienced. Basically, in conclusion, I would say this is a original service I personally tested, because I couldn't just say this is a good deal platform. That is the reason I took this much long, because personally I am testing it like 1 month, and I wanted to test it for myself and see whether the offers, I couldn't actually test all the different services within available. I just took some of the most important, like popular, like Airtable, AWS credit, which almost gives me like 6k dollar credits in my account. So I just tested out that, and it worked on my end. So whatever the deals you are seeing is actually legit, and you are directly getting it from source itself. But remember, these are not instant, that and it will take you need to make sure that you fit all the criteria as a startup base set by the source. These guys help you out on understanding the requirement and help out your process, but you need to follow the instructions, and you need to reach out to the source directly with the form or application or anything like that, and you need to wait and get the deal. So that is the main point, and so far I think I have covered all the points. If you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer it. And also there is a 20% discount code, Alston. If you just the code name is Alston. If you follow the link in the description, you can find it out. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.